become what we do.
Yo, what it do? So.
Take this down. Ain't nobody over here.
Yo, what it do? So we out here. So first off, I'm getting both of the oil changes done on both of the cars. So we really just buying time. Her car is first. She need a little more work done to her car, of course. You know how y'all women are. But hey, we ain't gonna talk about that.
Get you a husband like this though.
We ain't gonna talk about that.
I ain't taking it.
Cut time, you know what I'm saying? Went to Chick-fil-A. I saw,
lunch dates.
Little lunch date.
Baby loves Chick-fil-A.
Baby do love Chick-fil-A. And Shan love Chick-fil-A. Yeah. More so.
They need to sponsor us.
For sure. Chick-fil-A and Zaxby's. Hey, y'all reach out. For real. But yeah, we just kind of buying time. So right now we at Bye Bye Baby. Looking at baby monitors. I think we're gonna go and get one today.
Yeah. Show your haircut.
We're gonna go and get one today.
Oh, sexy, sexy.
Hey, y'all know I got the fresh.
Look at her looking like a dad. Let me see the shoes.
Fresh.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
No?
You aggy.
Nah, so, yeah, we just out here.
Get some stuff for baby.
For sure.
Thank y'all for the.
I was just about to bring it up. Y'all. Hey, we appreciate y'all for real.
Yeah.
Y'all coming through for baby. Everybody, of course. I don't know the names and stuff like that, but you know what I'm saying. Y'all, if y'all watching, which I know y'all are, we appreciate y'all. So
yeah, I think it's so.
Baby gonna have a lot of love.
Today we are gonna get the monitor because I do have a gift card, and I'm gonna show y'all. I don't think we showed them the furniture, the baby furniture, and I have some old footage from after we told our parents, but before we told everybody else, where we're in here with Darreian's parents getting stuff. I put that in. Today is March 2nd. Y'all probably aren't going to see this until August. I'm sorry, not August.
I was about to say, damn. Damn.
Y'all probably.
I ain't trying to let y'all see nothing.
Y'all probably.
Hey, why they not expecting parents while they in this parking spot?
Who?
Hey, yo, I've been killing that joint. Expecting mothers. Oh, I need that.
Y'all are probably gonna see this footage in April, but today we are about to order all the baby furniture. Shout out to my mom, my dad, Darreian's mom, and Darreian's dad, because they bought all the baby furniture, like literally
the real ones.
Yeah, they just, and we ain't even really asked them. They always like, hey, tell us one thing y'all want. And yeah, they bought all the furniture, so shout out to them for that. We also got the doona today. My dad gifted us with the doona, so shout out to him for that. We're actually gonna open it when we get home so I can play around with it, but right now we are actually waiting on Darreian's parents. We're supposed to meet at 5 o'clock. What time is it?
4:55.
4:55. We're at Bye Bye Baby to go in and order the furniture. It's March right now. We're looking at like a late May, June delivery date for the furniture, which is perfect because it's before August, but it still gives us some time to figure out what we want to do with design. We are getting the Sorrel collection by Bye Bye Baby. It's only sold at Bye Bye Baby. We were looking at the Baby Leto Hudson crib, which is sold at like Pottery Barn, Bye Bye Baby, West Elm. But when I actually saw it in person, it wasn't giving me what I wanted it to give. It was giving like kind of cheap, and it's not cheap. It's like $3.99. So yeah, went with something different. Baby Leto has great reviews though, but we want to invest in furniture pieces that we can keep, that can grow with baby. So not no cheap furniture, like real furniture that they can have all the way up until, you know, they're however old, teenagers. So yeah, that's that. I'm sure it's 5 o'clock now.
Exactly 5 o'clock.
Yeah, so shout out to Darreian parents. They late.
Always.
But yeah, I'll talk to y'all when we actually get in the store.
Player. They go to wallet right there, y'all. That's all right. Let me get your wallet, bro. Let me get that.
Yeah, I don't need that, all I need is my phone.
You said you just need a transfer, Mom?
Yeah, I could, I take my phone and transfer.
She don't ask no more.
She just take.
She give me the balance.
That's funny. Oh yeah. Oh, we take it. So that's the one big money getting. We appreciate it, player. Appreciate you, my guy. What you said, right? Oh, they got her looking at colors, y'all.
This is pretty.
Oh, I like
What's this for? Right?
Rocker.
Talk to him.
your furniture.
What's this for?
This for the rocker.
See how to look with that, with your color.
They just giving her
This the
all
color
these
scheme though.
choices.
The wood color, ivory, and sage.
Yeah.
Okay, girl, I like the nails on that color. Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Put it on there.
Period.
Put it on here real quick.
Oh, like that.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, my bad.
Get out of here.
Might mess up the camera quality on that, right? My boy said he want twin, boy. Where you going with that joint?
Got deuces up in here.
Nah, we only got one right now, my boy. Jeez, that's a wagon.
Yeah, cool.
Jeez.
You need a lot of room to turn this bad boy.
Boy, what?
You gotta do all this to turn it around.
Yeah.
Going from driving tractor trailers to that.
Yeah.
Look.
All right.
Just looking.
That's a nice little bed.
She want to buy that too. They don't even know what they do with themselves.
Go back to work.
Hold on, man. Let me
I got it on. What you said?
I'm
Yeah.
going back to work. I'm gonna get me a part-time and a full-time job.
She don't even know what that sound like no more.
get you a part-time to full-time job, pay for some stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna be at home.
Are you gonna work from home?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Oh yeah. Who gonna be paying you, Daddy?
Save that footage.
Daddy, you paying her?
Yeah, exactly. Save that footage.
Oh, you need this. I'm sorry. Here you go, babe.
That's it right there.
Shout out to his parents and my parents. They literally said, "Tell us what you want."
For real, nah. My parents retired, so they've been waiting on this. My dad just retired,
Yeah.
so he like, alright. So when y'all have a baby, just let me know
What y'all want?
what y'all need or what y'all want.
I picked out the stuff.
I'll be like, shit, bring your card. Come on.
I picked
I'll
out the
show you.
stuff. No lie. I picked out the stuff. All the furniture. I mean, like quality, top of the line furniture, crib, dresser, everything. Between his parents and my parents, they all paid. We didn't pay $1. They didn't say that's too much. They didn't say, did you look at something else? It was just like, okay, we got it. And the stuff actually came in. We just haven't picked it up yet. So yeah.
And like I said,
Shout
it's
out
not
to
like we don't
our
want to
parents.
pay for this stuff. Like they literally like. I mean,
No, your
I mean,
daddy, your daddy owed me a car.
That's true. But they literally want to do like, nah, that's my grandchild. Like, nah, I got
Whatever
it.
y'all
good.
want, yeah.
You know, they rather us not saying that we stress about it, but they rather us not have
They just
to
want
worry
to take
about
care of it.
Yeah.
They just want to.
So, yeah.
Who?
Appreciate y'all though. Appreciate y'all.
Yeah. But yeah, let's look at some none of these baby. Let me tell you the ones that I was thinking about.
Just go to wherever the highest price is.
Shut up. I was thinking about the Nanit. This is the one me and Acacia got for baby J. And the Outlet is the really popular one too. But I don't know how I feel about this sock.
I know these prices went up. It was not.
It was because we came when it was a sale.
Had to be $400.
Yeah, $400. Oh, here's the one that I want, babe. No, it's not $500. It's on sale for $199.
Okay.
And you know what's cool about it? You can buy separate cameras, up to 4 cameras, and they can all work on the same one. So like when we have another baby, or if we do the play area and we want to hang up cameras, we can do that and still watch it off this. Yeah. And I was kind of skeptical about getting one with an app or this, but every mom I talk to say that having this is better because you can, you listening? You can consistently watch baby without having to go to Instagram, back to something, TikTok, back to something else. So yeah, I think this is the one we're gonna get. It's the Infant Optics DXR8 Pro. And it has audio and everything. It moves all around. So yeah, that's what I want. And which one is it? The Pro. Which one? Alright, y'all. So we're going to get this and we'll get it y'all a little bit later. Alright, y'all. This is the furniture that we went with. Love this color. So yeah. And that's, we went with that dresser. I didn't do the changing table thing. It's got a different idea. But that's going to look so good against the nursery. Now that I'm looking at it with the colors, that's going to be perfect, actually.
You did your thing, Ma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to show you the high-rated gliders because the one we like is not on there.
Oh, yeah. Show me everything high rated. You know how we do.
No, come on. Go.
Nah, come on. Most expensive shit. Let's go.
You Aggie.
I know that's how you
No, I'm not.
Damn.
Okay, this is the one that's high-rated. But this is the one we don't like.
You said this high rated?
But this is the one we don't like.
Too skinny.
It's
like,
too
I just
skinny.
feel like I don't have no, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
I need to be able to kind of lean.
Lean. I agree. This the one you wanted though, ain't it? I'm pretty sure. No, not this one. It's this one. This is the one Darreion wanted. Let me see. The Kersey. Yeah. What about that one? He wanted this one. And this doesn't have good reviews. Let's see. What's this one? The Finley. Look at them prices, y'all. Ooh, child. Nah.
Not that bad.
Huh?
It's better than that one to me.
But is it better than that one?
I don't know. I just like the...
It's a manual glider. Does it come up? Is it a recliner? What's that on the side? It's like a thing on the side right there.
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one? Boy. What you think about it?
It's great.
It's $500.
Of course it is.
Those are the most comfortable. They just ugly.
Yeah. Put on your rocker.
I don't want that. I like this one.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, shit. Sleep.
Yeah, nah.
And Mace right here.
Yeah.
This ain't too bad. Definitely need this lumbar pillow. Cause you don't like this one. That's too skinny. Okay, what's the name of this? Elsa manual glider. Elsa manual. Better reviews than the Kersey. You sleep? You sleep, Pops?
These niggas sleep on me.
Yeah.
Darkness is your ally.
You want to hold their hands.
So yeah, the seat already comes built. All you have to probably do is just add this and fabric, and then the wheels are simple for that.
So that their head not loosen it. So they right there on your chest like that.
I got you.
And then you could put your phone right here.
Yeah. Flip it back.
And once they actually can start holding their head up, their little head just gonna be right here. So this how you gonna be in the stores. Little butt right here.
I was born in the dark,
Lord, how you feel about it?
molded by it.
How you feel about it? Huh?
That's cool.
It's a lot of compartments.
It is a lot of compartments.
That's how it's gonna be. Oh. Oh, you gonna be holding, touching it. It's okay, baby. How you like that? You didn't want that kind.
I look at that.
Feminine. Feminine. Hey y'all. I'm in my favorite chair. I got the dogs. Okay. I got the. Come here. You. Look. Say hey. Say hey. I got Stark. He's a doodle. And y'all know Mace. They just sit and wrestle and everything. Anyway, I'm about to take them out on a walk. But before I do, I wanted to show y'all what we picked up from the store. So y'all know we bought the baby monitor. I went with the Infant Optics DXR 8 Pro. This is like the best review, one of the top reviewed monitors by moms. So yes, got this. Bye Bye Baby is right next to Burlington. So we saw this cute little Adidas one piece type thing. This will be so cute with like some Yeezys, some phones, some any kind of Yeezys, honestly. We were thinking of Jaleesa when we bought this, which I think is so cute. It says, I look up to Auntie. And y'all know we love animals, so that's like a gender neutral thing. And for once, we found something that was actually gender neutral. And it just says, Mommy's Little Sunshine. It has clouds, stars, moons. It's like a little 3-piece set. And we bought a piggy bank. Darreion was really obsessed with this piggy bank, which we have a giraffe piggy bank like this too. So I'm fine with it, but it's just a super cute little elephant. It's like the glass porcelain stuff. It's really heavy. So we got this too. That was all the stuff we got. I don't know what the deal is, but so many people were out today. And I just can't. The lines were long. There's nowhere to park. It was looking like Black Friday or something. So, yeah. I just wanted to show y'all the couple things that we picked up. I'm going to be hanging out with the dogs today. I'm about to walk them so me and baby can get our mile in. And then we just going to come home and chill. Darreion had to go tend to some stuff with his family. And, yeah, I probably have to go switch the cars out whenever the people call because we're getting a car service today. But just wanted to check in really quickly, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Let's go. Come here. All right, Mace, you. Come here.
Woo! Spider. Sex. Yeah.
You ready? Yes. Mace, are you ready? You, Mace, Mace annoyed. Say, I just a baby. I I'm just a baby. Tell us I'm just a puppy. All right, okay, come on, let's go.